Hi everyone, I hope you're okay. Today I've got an unboxing of the August Glossybox for you. So this is the 2020 August box. It's their birthday edition and look how pretty this box is. It is so cute. So for those of you who don't know, I did just upload a video which explained my situation with Glossybox now. I'm actually a part of the Glossy Circle, which I still am so shocked about. I'm so happy, over the moon, grateful and everything. So if you missed that video, I will link that below. But just to recap, what this means is that Glossybox will be gifting their boxes to me every month so I can show them and unbox them on my channel. I am so excited for that. So if Glossybox is the kind of thing that you like to watch and you like seeing new beauty products, then please subscribe and stick around because you'll see a lot more of this. For those of you who don't know, Glossybox is a monthly subscription box. You generally get hair products, beauty products, anything you can think of that's pretty makeup-y and girly, you will get in this box. Think of it like a pamper box that comes through your door every month. It is absolutely incredible. I've been obsessed for years, and if you want to see more unboxings, I will put them in a playlist for you. And this month is the birthday edition. So as you can see, it's a beautiful pink box and the bow is so stunning. This would make a beautiful storage box on the side of your desk, like your dressing table or something. So I'm definitely going to keep this. Glossybox costs around £10 a month and you pay a little bit for postage and packaging. I do think that Glossybox does hold some of the best products from beauty subscription boxes purely because of the variety and the quality. They're generally Dulux sizes rather than little sample sizes, which I think is absolutely amazing. And yes, this product is gifted to me, but I will always give you my honest opinion. Inside, you always get a little booklet which tells you about the products. So this month is the birthday edition, and inside it does just say about the products you're going to get inside, and then there's a little bit of information about the Glossy Lounge, which is what you become a part of when you are a Glossybox subscriber. You can check all that out on the website. I will leave the links below, and eventually I will have a code for you, but for now I will put the code on screen which you can use currently, but I will have my own code to give you soon which will give you some money off, so if you're interested in that then stick around. Also, a Glossybox have just launched their skincare line, so hopefully at some point I will get to show you or talk to you about those products as well. But they do look absolutely incredible, and in case you didn't know, I love pink. This whole brand matches my life. I absolutely love it. And then on the back of the booklet you generally have a sneak peek for either the next box, or in this case it shows you that the advent calendar is coming back. And it is baby pink. This is absolutely beautiful. It says that subscribers can get priority access to the advent calendar on Tuesday the 8th of September. Exciting! As you can see, the little leaflet matches the box, which is really cute. And then inside you generally, I have accidentally ripped this, so apologies for that. You do generally just get some tissue paper that holds the products in place, and then there's a little Glossybox logo sticker there. Then when you open the tissue paper, it reveals your products. So for this month we've got some hot pink packaging worms, I don't know what they're called, hamster bedding, and then we've got 5 amazing looking products in here, so I'm just going to dig them out for you. I was so excited about one of these products and I'll get to that when I pull it out, but I'm just going to get one out at a time. The first product we've got is from Brushworks, so it's the HD Wonder Complexion Sponge. It says versatile blending sponge, 3-in-1 design, latex free material. Let's have a look what Glossybox wrote in their little leaflet about it. HD Wonder Complexion Sponge. To celebrate our birthday, we're giving you the tools to create the ultimate party look. A 3-in-1 makeup sponge. Perfect for applying foundation, concealer, contour and highlighter. You can use the rounded side to cover large areas, the flat side to cover imperfections, and the tip to reach smaller areas with precision. Simply dampen to apply liquids or use dry to apply creams and powders. So this retails at £5.49 and you can get this from Brushworks. This is really cute, so I'm just going to open it for you now. And on the box it does have a little bit of information on how to use it as well, but I'm sure we're all pretty familiar with a foundation and makeup sponge. I do have quite a bit of experience using beauty blenders, and I do think that this one does feel like a very high quality sponge. I can tell that when it's dampened it will feel a lot more durable, and it's really nice. I like the shaping of it. I am generally impressed with beauty blenders as a whole, and this does feel like one of the high quality ones. It's always good to have a little beauty blender, whether you want to keep a spare in your weekend bag or just have a spare around the house in case your cat runs off with it, because I know that happens to some people. I mean, I don't have cats, but I can imagine. My sister's always asking me for brushes because the cats just rob them. So perfect. If you've got cats, this will solve your problem this month. The next thing I've pulled out is really exciting. So for those of you who don't know, Glossybox have just launched their own skincare range, and here we have a sneak peek of their range. So it's Glossybox Skincare Eye Boost Cream. It says reduce the appearance of dark circles and puffiness, and it's 15ml. I do believe this is a full-size product, so let's see what the booklet says about it. Glossybox Skincare. So this is the Eye Boost Cream. Proudly introducing the luscious eye cream from our newly launched Glossybox Skincare range. You are the first to try this product, and it's our special gift to you. Its indulgent formula blends elderflower, eye bright and red seaweed extract to reduce the appearance of fine lines and dark circles and refresh tired looking eyes. We hope you love it as much as we do. So inside it says that exclusive subscriber prices is £16, and then it will be £20 for non-subscribers. So by subscriber it means if you are a subscriber of the monthly Glossybox beauty box, you will get this at a discounted price. Absolutely love the packaging. It's perfect. As I said, matches my life. Just going to open it now. And inside the glossy skincare packaging, you can see that it's got the Glossybox logo, which I think is really, really sweet. And inside the box, it's just got a little leaflet with information in different languages on the product. So this is the Glossybox Eye Boost Cream. It's so cute, and I definitely need some of that right now because I've got some light circles going on. And let's see what it's like. Even the nib's pink. That is so cute. Let's just plop a bit on. I know that's not my eye, but we're gonna have a go anyway. Just smells quite clean, I think. I can smell the elderflower now. So that is absolutely adorable. I am a big fan of eye creams. I have been using one just before I go to bed, which is a night cream, and I've been plopping it under my eyes here, and I recommended it to my friend a while ago because I cannot tell you how good these things are. I know that eye creams generally aren't the first thing you think of when it comes to a pamper routine, but I highly recommend eye creams purely because I have been ignorant to it before and not used them, and then when I started using this night serum on my eyes, the dark circles were disappearing. I mean, admittedly I've run out of that now, but now I've got this, so it's okay. Sorry if the camera's moved. I did have a delivery come to the door, and then I came back, tripped over my tripod, and everything moved. So the next thing I've got in the box, I know this brand quite well because my mum is the kind of lady who buys things that are high quality, top notch, John Lewis, Marks and Spencer's, Waitrose, Sainsbury's, that kind of thing. And Molton Brown London is the kind of hand wash and things she buys, so I know that this is absolutely top notch. It is the delicious rhubarb and rose bath and shower gel. I'm just gonna sniff it. That is amazing. It is so nice. I can't explain to you how much of a good quality this stuff is. It's the kind of thing that you'd put in the guest bedroom or the guest bathroom, or you'd take it in a weekend bag with you because it just gives you this premium feel. Absolutely love that. Let's see what Glossybox have to say about the shower gel. So this is a Dulux Mini. It is the Molton Brown Delicious Rhubarb and Rose Bath and Shower Gel. We want you to feel like royalty on our birthday. British Royal Warrant Holders Molton Brown's Indulgent Shower Gel boasts a luscious blend of rhubarb leaf, rose and zesty grapefruit that smells divine. Trust us, this luxurious formula will leave your skin feeling cleansed and irresistibly fragranced. Apply onto wet skin using a loofah, or pour into a warm bath and enjoy relaxing soak. A relaxing soak, I mean. So it says this is a Dulux Mini. It's 100ml and it's worth £7.33. The full size is worth around £22. As I was saying that my mum is the kind of person that likes luxurious products, this is the kind of thing that she'll have laying around her bath, and I have to say that when I've got things like this in the past, it has felt proper nice. So it's definitely something you can keep in your weekend bag for if you go away, or you could put it by your bath, and if you're having one of those days, you know what I mean when I say one of those days, where you just want to cleanse the day away, start fresh, you can roll around in this in the bath and it will fix everything probably. So that is brilliant to have in here. I really, really like that. I am kind of noticing a pamper theme with the last two products that we got. I think we could definitely do a pamper routine video with some of these things. The next product I've got to show you is a Steve Laurent product. This is, what are you? I think this is a lip liner. It says lip liner on the side, so I'm assuming it is. Let's read what it says in here then. Steve Laurent Vogue Lip Liner. Throughout our birthday month, month, we want you to enjoy yourself without having to worry about touching up your makeup. Luckily, this magical lip pencil is completely waterproof, so it doesn't transfer or bleed throughout the day. Instead, it stays put for up to 7 hours. Use it to shape and define your lip contour and then fill in your pout with a slightly lighter shade of lipstick. So this is worth £12.09, very precise. So let's open it. The packaging is beautiful. What colour is this? Okay, I think it's going to resemble the box. So this is a, what's the shade name of this? Oh, Vogue, obviously. I'm just going to take the little plastic bit off. As you can see, the packaging is very sleek and the colour is really nice. So I'm just going to put a little swatch on my hand and I'll do a close-up for you as well. But it does look like it's going to match the next product that I'm going to pull out this box, and I am pretty excited about that. Lip liners are a very good way to precisely define your Cupid's bow, and that is definitely something that I'm excited to try out. The final product I've got in this box is the one that I was so excited about. So I'm going to say the name wrong probably. It's either Huda Beauty or Huda Beauty. So I'm so excited. This is a demi matte lipstick and it is in the shade Shaker. I don't know. I think there's about 10 shades you could get. Yes, so it says 1 of 10 shades and this is perfect. I'm so excited because I can wear this to work. This is Huda Beauty demi matte cream lipstick. It wouldn't be a glossy party without Huda Beauty. This creamy lippy boasts a luscious, highly pigmented formula that glides effortlessly onto your lips, adding an intense shot of colour to your pout. It then dries to a satin finish, creating a sheen on your lips that enhances their natural shape. Simply line your lips, apply your lipstick, then blot it with a tissue for a beautiful stained effect. So this is worth £18 and it says that you can get this at Boots. I am absolutely obsessed with this shade. I know there's some kind of purpley shades that you could get in there and some more red ones, but this one I actually want to cry because it's perfect. The doe foot applicator looks just like that, a little chair, which is always good, and I'm going to plop it next. Now isn't that a match made in heaven? Literally, look at this. You're not going to believe this. Look how well, I mean, they've obviously thought this through, but that is perfect. I will do a close-up of that so you can see it. Oh my gosh, okay, I'm so excited. I just want to go to work now. I will actually wear this every day. It is so beautiful. I think that although the colour you get sent is pretty random, I think may go with your profile, but as mine is the PR, I don't know if they have a profile, but this is blooming beautiful. I'm so excited. That was everything from my unboxing of the Glossybox birthday edition box, and I'm so excited about pretty much everything in here. I know that will definitely go in my weekend bag for when I go away, and these things will just get so much use. I am so excited. That's going to be my new work staple, the Huda Beauty lipstick, and this will definitely get used in my pamper routine now. I'll pop it straight in my face mask box. That was everything in the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more, then please follow me on Instagram. That's at Zoey Glitter, Zoey with a Y. And thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more, then please subscribe to me because there's going to be a lot more Glossybox content coming soon. I'm so grateful. Thank you to everyone at Glossybox, and thank you to all my friends who have been really supportive, and shout out to Bryony, who is also a part of the Glossy Circle now, and Lucy and Willow as well. So it's all very exciting. So glad I get to share it with some people that I know, and I think they're amazing content creators, so I will leave their links below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye!